Hi, I'm Devesh Nayel. This finished over 40 years of corporate experience, including the last 5 years investing in startups and working for a startup. And one of the slivers of investments I've been making is in climate tech. And I wondered that if I was investing in climate tech, why would I not start from home? And that's when my interest started off in developing a sustainable garden. I already do composting. I composted over 4 tons of food waste and organic waste in our garden. And then the next step was from moving to waste neutrality to energy neutrality. And that's why I got very interested in investing in a solar plant, which you can see around me, 10 solar panels here. My normal power consumption rating is about 5.3 kilowatt hour, but I'm very happy to say these 10 solar panels above me, installed by EcoSoch, are generating over 30 kilowatt hour per day. So that's 5x almost. So that's well and truly onto energy neutrality. And I believe that if we have to think about sustainable living, it starts with your own home first. I've been very happy with the EcoSoch installation, strongly recommended to everyone. The team was extremely efficient in the way they coordinated, including with the local power authority. For us, it's Westcom. But the inter-team coordination was excellent, and I am told by the EcoSoch team that the installation was completed in record time. We are members of another residential complex where other EcoSoch installations have happened. And that's how we came to know about EcoSoch, and that's why we decided to go ahead. EcoSoch represented one of the best solutions in terms of the value proposition, in terms of cost effectivity, and in terms of the solution they were offering in terms of costs and benefits. I did the financial analysis myself. The payback and the IRRs that were coming out on this installation was one of the best, which is why I went ahead with EcoSoch. So this system has an IoT. It's IoT enabled, so it's connected, hooked up into my Wi-Fi. It's important to mention that. And so I get the graphs, I look at the graphs. So it is installed on, I think, 16th March. I've been tracking the output every day on my computer, sitting at home. Consistently, it's been giving me 29 to 32 kilowatt hour output every day, which is 5x my power requirement. It's been very smooth. And even if there have been any minor glitches, I'm able to call up the EcoSoch team. The responsiveness is excellent. I think one needs to be clear that the paybacks and the IRRs are not going to be comparable with other investment projects. This is a social investment, social cost benefit that you have to think of. The IRRs are going to be sub 10%. The paybacks are going to be longer than your standard 5-year economic life, which you use for other projects or other hardware or technology or any share investments. But if you are sustainability oriented, and if you're thinking about the world around you and the world that you're going to leave after you go away, it's well worth the investment, I think. I believe it's a small step that if I took, and if every residence which has access to a terrace or any private area where you can install it, if you can do it, the sum total of all those small initiatives will be huge, and it will take a lot of load off the conventional electricity systems. So I believe that solar is the way to go. The EcoSoch team came for a pre-installation site visit. So they checked out all the surroundings, the environs, what all prep work I had to do, including detail like the earthing pits and the position and the location. Subsequently, before the equipment was arriving and the solar stacks were being erected, the subcontractor again made a pre-visit to make sure that there were no any last-minute glitches, which is why the whole installation process went off smoothly. There was not even a single day's delay after the EcoSoch team and the fabrication teams mobilized. So I believe that the inter-team coordination was very good, and every time there was an issue, it was resolved very efficiently and smoothly. I have already recommended EcoSoch to several places. I have sent videos and pictures of the installation into several groups, and I'm very happy with the installation. And I know that whoever chooses an opt for EcoSoch will be delighted with the whole thing. So the whole process. So yes, I would recommend it.